Welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy this video. I just want to share with you this luxury chair, the massage chair that my husband won first place from the singing contest. The contest was held by Like&Comment store. The first place came with a massage chair worth $6,000 plus $3,000 in cash. I couldn't believe that he won it. We are giving it to charity, the $3,000 in cash, and just keep the massage chair. Thanks so much, Like&Comment team, that sent the people to our house to put the chair together. It works wonderful. It is an amazing chair. Someday I just want to spend time with the kids, playing with the app, so funny, and watch Christmas movie. Dropping off the kids to their friend's birthday party before going to the mall. It's gonna be me time. Few more days until Christmas and the mall is super crowded. Almost every year, our family took picture with Santa at this mall, Lenox Mall. But this year, we took picture at Phipps Plaza. Now I'm heading to Neiman Marcus. Oh my God, look at Louis Vuitton store. The line is super long. Okay, so Neiman Marcus. Let's come in and check out the shoes. Looking for my size. Oh, pretty shoes. Look at this, Manolo Blahnik. They're so pretty. Okay, so here is my size, 6 to 6.5. Let's see what I can find. I'm trying on the Christian Louboutin shoe. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Love the color, but it is so high. This shoe I'm trying on is from Dior. It is so cute. Another pair from Dior, but it has higher heel. Although the heels are high, but it fits very comfortable. It fits much better than the shoes from Christian Louboutin with the same high heel. Now let's try on the sneakers. This sneaker is from Valentino. I love this white with red. Having some more eye candies of the Chanel shoes here before checking out. Can you guess what I got? 2 pairs. So unboxing coming soon. Now let's go to men's section downstairs. The line was long when I came. I had to wait a few minutes. We go into Christmas area. Oh my God, love it. Look at all the decorations, the trees. Oh my God, looks so pretty. I wish I can bring all these home. Look at this Christmas tree. Beautiful. All the ornaments, snowman. Looks so pretty. Look at this. So colorful. Pink and blue. rainbow colors. There are more here. The carousels. So beautiful. Now we are going up to third floor, women's section. Let's get some hand sanitizer before going in. I actually go into kids area. I'm very petite, so I may find something that fits me right here in this area. Found something. Look at this.
Great, it works for you. They're great.
I'm gonna try on now. What do you think? This is a sweater from Balmain. Looks cool, right? This dress is also from Balmain, very sparkly. It is a little small, so I will find a little bigger size. And this is my outfit of the day. I'm done shopping for the day. Oh, it got dark already. So happy that I got something to take home. Every time I feel so happy as long as I have something to take home with me. So unboxings are definitely coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Stay healthy and safe. See you next time.